Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you secure your Twitter account. In order to secure your Twitter account, you could do these steps, that is enabling two-factor authentication. Other than that, you could also create a unique and a strong password and reset your password regularly, maybe once in a month. And next you could do is check your login activity. And now what you want to do is to enable two-factor authentication to secure your account. You need to open up your Twitter application and log in, and then you simply want to tap on the initial from the left hand side corner and go to settings and support. Underneath, click on settings and privacy, and there you have the security and account access, right? So over here you simply want to go ahead and click on the security option, and there you have these two-factor authentication. So you want to go ahead and click on two-factor authentication. In order to enable it, toggle on the button, all that. And once you've enabled the two-factor authentication, you could also verify your identity for additional security. And then other than that, you could also go to additional password protection. If you want to do this, you could go ahead and follow on the on-screen instructions, and that is how you'll be able to secure your Twitter account. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.